Alright! Magandang araw at magandang buhay sa lahat ng mga master dyan. Happy 15,000 subscribers sa ating lahat. At sa channel ng Curbs PH, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng naging masters along the way. And the masters, the OGs that have been here to support and to listen to me talk about nonsense, di ba? Kaya maraming salamat po for this milestone. I really appreciate it. 15K, maybe a small number to some, but this is, man, kung makikita niyo yung number of videos ko sa channel, nasa 460 something. Ang dami ko nang nilabas na videos, man. Kaya, I'm just thankful na 15K, man, dati tinitignan ko lang to, pero nandito na. Kaya salamat at sana yung mga ibang hindi pa nakasubscribe. Thank you po in advance. So this is my first love sa EP. Simula at wakas EP ang Time. Medyo nagigilty ako na parang nakokonsensya ako kung bakit siya pinalitan ng Quit. Ito yung originally Time in number 1 ko, but ang Quit ay sinungkwit yung puso ko. Sinungkwit. Damn, okay. So nakapagtatag tayo, no? So this is the performance video of Time. And I know that this is gonna be amazing. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share the video para mas mapabilis yung 20k subs. Oh my god, thank you Lord. Okay, so tuloy na natin. This is Time by the best boys, the originators of P-pop, the P-pop kings. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ito lang ako naririnig. May na. Yun. Oh! Oh my god. Excuse me. Balik natin konti. Lakasan ko yung volume kasi hindi ko matatanggap to. Hayop na yan. Isa pa. Okay. So, ang ganda nung di ko alam mo saan sila nag-shoot dito. Kung sa Onesie, Onesie Studio ba? Pero napakaganda ng set, di ba nakikita mo? Performance video lang pero bigay todo yung forma nila, yung parang sa lyric video na forma nila. I wonder if they shoot it at the same day. Pero nakapula sila same sa forma nila sa lyric videos. Okay.
Riding in bed, numb and upset. The hands on a clock are moving along, and feels like I'm dead, but I'm here instead. Please make it stop.
Napakawalang hiya talaga ng SB19 when it comes to performing live. Etong performance video, yeah, I guess it makes sense na performance video siya, pero to make it, yung iba kasi ganito, nire-record nila sa studio yan. Then, magpe-perform sila as if pinerform nila ng live. As is, yung sa video, yun mismo yung performance. So, Pacific ka, nag-15k na lang ako, hindi ka pa rin nagsusponsor. Nag-iingay ka lang. Okay. Excuse me. So, yun nga, ang ibang mga nakikita ko, hindi naman madami, pero usually nakikita ko, parang studio nila, may re-record yung boses, tapos mag-a-as-if nagpe-perform sila dyan, but usually lip-sync yun. Pero SB19, when it comes to performance videos of SB19, live na live talaga yung vocals. Ni-record lang talaga na nagpe-perform sila. So parang first-hand experience sa concert pa rin yun. Ganun man, libre na pinapanood ko to. Parang nagigilty ako, kailangan magbayad no? Ganun siya kaganda. Okay. Master Ja, napakagwapong lalaki mo, kaya tuloy. Gusto ko yung tahimik Naka-sleeveless si Philip dito, man.
Riding in upset. The hands on a clock are moving along and feels like I'm dead, but I'm here instead. Please make it stop. I'm always wrong and stuck inside my never-ending thoughts. I'm trying hard 'cause I know it cost. 'Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave them behind.
Oh my gosh, man.
Things we can
Yung kaluluwa mo talagang hindi lang hindi lang ano tawag nito? Imaginary yung pwede mong isipin, parang physically nagaganon yung kaluluwa, parang nagre-react yung kaluluwa mo dahil doon sa ginawa nilang pause. Tapos may beat time, parang sabay sa beat, parang umaangat yung kaluluwa mo eh. Hindi lang siya figuratively parang physically umaangat ka mismo eh. Nararamdaman mo yung beat eh. Ganun yung epekto niya, tapos kasabay niya yung lyrics na sobrang ganda. Ma-appreciate mo talaga yung kanta pag ganun, hindi yung parang monotonous yung sound ng buong kanta na parang mediocre stuff. SB19 talaga, they find ways to make you para pilitin kang makinig. Alam mo, hindi ka mabobore kahit sa ballad. Kasi usually ballad medyo boring yan eh. Medyo, kasi sad song siya usually. So medyo mawawala sa attention yung nakikinig. Pero SB19 doesn't. SB19 finds ways to para tinagalog, English ka kasi boy. to alam mo yun, para makuha yung attention span ng tao. Yung attention, attention? Ano para boy? Ha? Okay, tuloy.
Never ending thoughts.
Pogi mo, Ken?
I'm trying hard 'cause I know it cost. 'Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave them behind. Many things we can control. I hope you know it's better to try. 'Cause one day we'll run out of. All of these are natural. No one's really in control, but we live a little 'cause we know when we vanish we don't really go. So I try to run an extra mile, hoping for a sign. If there isn't one, then I'm leaving mine. And for those behind, seeking you will find there's no reason not to try. Watching everything from the backseat is beautiful, but at times it gets really ugly. You already know what to do, but we got nothing to
Shit,
love.
man. I think one of my favorite parts aside from Ken's part here. Ewan ko, medyo bias ako pagdating sa mga ballad. Medyo may bias ako kay Ken kasi yung boses niya talagang bagay na bagay doon. Parang parang oddly enough na yung genre ni Ken usually mga rock. Pero nagsa-stand out palagi, in my opinion, palagi nagsa-stand out yung boses ni Ken sa ballad. Dahil dun sa character nga ng boses niya. I mean, they are amazing singers individually. Pero syempre hindi naman pantay-pantay yan. May mga kanya-kanyang strengths, and I think ballad is one of the strengths of Philip. And with regards to that, isa siya sa mga favorites ko, yung parts ni Philip kasi I mean there's a certain feeling along with these vocals na parang parang ramdam ko siya. Okay, parang gano'n na lang. But one of my favorite parts is this part. Yung nagkakaroon ng harmonization si Josh, siya kasi Stel. This is amazing. This is hard. It seems like it's easy, but it's hard. Lalo na pag dumadaan ng Cebu Pacific. Yeah. Di mo ko in-sponsor, daan ka ng daan, boy. Okay. Ito, napakaganda ng harmonization nila dito, puti. Pero every one of them did an amazing job. Justin was amazing. Yung umpisa niya kanina, full of heart, full of emotions. Then comes si Ken, man. I have nothing to say to Ken, man. He's amazing. Pablo, the originator of this shit. Yung cadence ni Pablo dito, gustong-gusto ko din talaga. Charararadan, 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 hoping for a sign. Alam mo, napakaganda ng boses niya. Then comes the harmonization part. It's amazing, man.
It's not a try. Watching everything from the backseat is beautiful, but at times it gets really ugly. You already know what to do, but we got nothing to lose. What we're not changing, we choose. Fighting for whatever cost. If the lights dying, don't you ever cease to refuse. Stuck inside my never-ending thoughts. I'm trying hard, cause I know what it costs. Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave them behind. Many things we can control. I hope you know.
Perfect falsetto.
It's a try. Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave them behind. Darling, when push comes to
Ganda nung dumaang sound sa tenga ko, pumalit from left to right na gumanon yung sound. Gumapang. And napapansin ko lang talaga man SB19 is an originator of anything. Kita mo dito, napaka-vibrant na isang group. Hindi talaga sila nagbibigay ng kulang eh. Palaging sobra. Kaya dito, it doesn't have to be this way. They have the fans. They have fans, man. They don't have to do too much of this shit. Pero kita mo, di ba, yung setup pa lang. There's a certain purpose of this shit. Kung bakit ganito yung imahe, kung bakit naka-red sila. May mga rason yan, boy. Di ba? Hindi yan dahil sa aesthetics. That could be one. Pero napakaganda talaga. Ang ganda talaga ng set. Sa set pa lang eh. Di ba? Itsura pa nila, napaka-pogi, mga animal. Ha? Ang ganda talaga ng ambience and everything. Tapos yung kanta nila, Time, napaka-perfect. This is perfect for me, man. Let's go.
job. Your best is enough. It won't hurt to try. Cause one day we'll run out of time and time again. It rings things I don't understand. I'm drenched all over, still I endure all I can. And now I'm aware there's no reason in this world, so I'll never ever walk away with souls left undone. Oh, but since I'm living anyway, I'm spending every day scattering stars in the night sky, hoping it'll lead away for better days. Savor every moment with me while we're here, cause I don't want it.
Let me glaze my bias here for a minute, no? Kasi parang hindi ko masyadong nag-glaze yung bias ko, which is Stella Hero. If we're talking about perfect pitch, perfect everything, control, the what do you call this? Yung paglakas at paghina ng boss, may tawag doon sa hayop na yun, hindi ko maisip na. When we talk about, may kinalabutan ako saglit, no? Minsan ko lang to i-praise ang bias ko kasi hindi ko kasi meron akong parang hindi ako sanay na kapag kagusto ko palagi kong idududot sa mukha ng tao na ito yung magaling. It's not healthy, bra. Parang may mga nakikita akong gano'n na ito si ganito, dapat ganito. Yung kanta ni Ken na ano mo yun? Basta ayoko ng gano'n. Kaya mapapansin siguro ng iba, kadalasan hindi ko pinapansin si Ste. I mean, hindi sa pinapansin, pero hindi ko na siya ino-oversell. Kasi nga, alam na natin yun, boy, na magaling talaga siya dyan. He's on the top of this shit when it comes to vocals, when it comes to range. Pero hindi ko na siya para pa pero medyo I have to give credits, man. Hindi palagi kasi ayoko nga maging bias talaga na hindi porket sinabing bias mo siya, siya na talaga dapat lang. Hindi ganoon. Pero kasi pag normal ka, I mean, I'm just a normal person. So, hindi talaga may pagkakailan na meron ka talagang magugustuhan diyang isa na kahit angat lang ng kahit 1% sa iba, meron talaga yung boy. Pero, man, meron din talaga di makapili sa 5, which is OT5, but I understand that. Pero si Stell kasi ang rason ko lang naman yung bakit ko siya trip is yung ugali niya. Magka-ugali kami. Pero, I have to give credits where the credit is due. But when we talk about divine and perfect singing ability, Stell is definitely on top, and I think he's one of the best OPM singers here in the Philippines as of the moment. So that's just it. But SB19 individually is amazing. Yun lang yung sinasabi ko.
The night sky, and a little way for better days. Savor every moment with me. While we here, 'cause I don't want that.
Promise.
Memories will leave them behind. Many things we can't control.
What?
I hope you know.
Ano yun, man? Ang ganda nung parang sabit nung, the character of Philip's voice is freaking, what the F, man? It's amazing. Gusto ko yung parang, ano yung boses, parang umiiyak yung boses niya, man.
Memories will leave them behind. Many things we can't control.
What the?
I hope you know it's better to try. 'Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave them behind. Many things we can't control. I hope you know it's better to try. One day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave them behind.
Nag-iiba yung mga nakasulat sa likod pala, no? Hindi ko alam kung ano nakasulat. Siguro sa ibang reactors yun na lang panoorin yun kasi ang haba na... Bakit kasi Curves PH? Ang haba ng reaction mo, boy. Hindi ko pa nababasa yun. Man, sige. Dito na lang tayo mag-focus sa kanila. Hayop na yan.
Darling, when push drops to stop, your best is enough. It won't hurt to try. 'Cause one day we'll run out of.
I don't think there's any group that can top this. I mean, the technicals, the feeling, the roots. I think SB19 is really the best in today's form of OPM. I think for me, they are the best today. Pinakamatalim na sandata ng OPM ngayon sa Pilipinas, I think. And that's it, man. Woo! Simula tokas na tayo ngayon, boy. Ha? SB19 pataas lang. SB19 malakas. Kaya, subscribe. If you want more, maraming salamat. This has been Curves PH. And you have been amazing.